3, 2, 1.
The following movie line was said by which actress? Why don't you just say this is the police, and it will open right up? The answer is D. Stella Stevens to Ernest Borgnine, who won the 1963 Academy Award for Best Actor for his performance in the movie Lilies of the Field. The answer is D. Sidney Poitier. Which of the following blood component forms a plug at the site of injuries? The answer is C. Platelets. Solar and wind are still expensive compared to what? The answer is D. Fossil fuels. Which animal has the longest tongue relative to body size? The answer is C. Chameleon. I never used up, yet always empty after use. What am I? The answer is C. Book. Which ocean touches the most countries? The answer is A. Atlantic. What is a large green and wears a hat? The answer is C. Tree. I spin around and around but don't get dizzy. What am I? The answer is D. Hula hoop. What is the character Zach Malazzi's profession in the movie Rat Race? The answer is A. Ambulance driver. In the film Coming to America, what was the name of Clarence's barber shop where Clarence and his friends would discuss great boxing legends? The answer is A. Mighty Sharp. What is the name of the chemistry law stating that the pressure of a gas at constant temperature varies inversely with its volume? The answer is A. Boyle's law. Which device uses IPS technology? The answer is C. Monitor. What does the human protein cytokine help fight? The answer is D. Infections. How many paired DNA chromosomes are there in a human male? The answer is A. 23. I am never hungry, but I feed thousands. What am I? The answer is C. Power plant. During which activity should a student wear a laboratory apron or coat? The answer is D. Adding salt to boiling water. Which planet has the strongest winds? The answer is C. Jupiter. I'm not alive, but I still have a heart. What am I? The answer is B. Sculpture. What is the world's largest living structure? The answer is C. Amazon rainforests. Through what does the nerve impulses travel to the brain? The answer is D. Optic nerve. The addition of starting materials and the removal of end products prevent metabolism from reaching what state? The answer is B. Equilibrium. Which tech giant owns YouTube? The answer is D. Google. A channel protein is an example of what type of protein? The answer is C. Transport proteins. What fruit can you eat for 8 months of the year? The answer is B. Oranges. What term is used to describe a solute that is water-fearing? The answer is C. Hydrophobic. Which is the first web browser? The answer is A. Netscape Navigator. What is Socrates famous for, according to Plato's dialogues? The answer is C. Practicing philosophy. Which tool is used for chopping herbs and vegetables? The answer is B. Chopper. Can be open for centuries, yet still have pages unread. What am I? The answer is A. Encyclopedia. I hold hot items and have a handle. What am I? The answer is B. Frying pan. Who directed the 1951 classic, The African Queen? The answer is B. John Huston. Which period on the periodic table has noble gases? The answer is C. Period 5. Sugar is composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Sugar is an example of which of the following? The answer is B. A compound. I am always late though I never miss my time. What am I? The answer is C. Bell. What book is also known as Little Women in the United States and Good Wives in the UK? The answer is D. A Tree Grows in Brooklyn. Which flower was adopted in 1922 as an official Memorial Day symbol? The answer is A. Red poppy. Community interactions are important factors in what? The answer is D. Natural selection. What movie about sideshow performers, released in 1932, was banned from the UK for 30 years? The answer is B. Freaks. Which is the state flower of Maryland? The answer is B. Black-eyed Susan. What type of sea creature did Angelina Jolie voice in the 2004 animated movie Shark Tale? The answer is C. Lionfish. Duality in quantum mechanics is used to describe these two concepts. The Schrödinger equation is in fact the essence of duality. Which two concepts are described in duality? The answer is B. Particles and waves. What gas produced by fossil fuel use is a major cause of global warming?
The answer is A. Carbon dioxide.
Red Fox was once called Chicago Red so that he would not be confused with another red-headed man called Detroit Red. Who was this man? The answer is B. Malcolm Little. Which art movement aimed to create anti-art and non-art, employing a sense of the absurd? The answer is D. Dadaism. The triangle is used in which musical instrument? The answer is A. Drum set. The word fungus comes from the Latin word for what? The answer is D. Mushroom. Which word is defined as somebody who walks in front of you through a crowd? The answer is A. Whiffler. Where is WWE's headquarters? The answer is D. Stamford, Connecticut. In which of the following countries is Dutch not an official language?